If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? Whenever someone says rolled insulation, this is rolled. So this means the house is insulated. So a lot of times you're gonna go in, you're not gonna see this. You're just gonna see floor joists with no pink stuff in the middle. That means that it's not insulated from the basement ceiling to the floor. You can also have blown in. Blown in insulation is the easiest thing to do on a house that needs to add insulation. They just take like a leaf blower thing and they just blow the insulation in the attic and it just fills it with like little styrofoam looking like crap. So those are the two ways that you can have insulation. It's not a big deal if you don't have rolled insulation in a basement. You can either install it. Most houses don't even have it. 90% of the houses we go in don't have rolled insulation anyways. Not a big deal.
How do you feel about the RISE program? When they come out and do it?
Awesome. Spin your clients to it. Hey guys, RISE has a program. It's 100% free, I guess. Insulation is something that can be mitigated with a free service. Let's utilize it. Let's understand it.